Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Boy. Hey. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna hit a small little trail that actually not that many people come visit. It's Desert Front Trail. It's around the Hesperia area. I'm gonna leave the information here for you so you guys can check it out. Again, it looks like it's a technical rating of 3 out of 10. It's a distance of 12.3 miles and a low point 4,262 feet. And the highest point, it looks like it's 4,908 feet. You're supposed to catch this trail off of the 15 freeway around the Cajun Pass area, but there was construction. You're supposed to go, if you're coming from Hesperia, coming down Cajun, okay, the Cajun Pass, there's like a brake check for, I guess, the 18-wheelers. You're supposed to get off there, and then there's a little entrance to the trail there. But on that brake check area, they're doing construction, so I wasn't able to go in through there. So I kind of pulled over the side of the freeway, and I logged into the map, and I kind of saw another little trail that leads there, but it has to go in through I think it's a power line service area. So that's where we're at right now. We're gonna check it out, and hopefully we make it to that trail. As you guys can see, we're here pretty much Cajun Pass. I'm parked right here, and then there's a little service road. So we're gonna go up here, and then we're gonna check what we find. I should air down right now, but you know what? I'm gonna wait because this is just an access road to get to the trail that I want to get to. So I'm gonna wait and see if I'm gonna be able to have access if it's open. So this road, I guess it's leading to 3N24. So we were coming down that way. The entrance to the trail that I was looking at is actually not that far from here. Just right around that mountain right there. That's the 15 freeway that goes down, and it goes down to San Bernardino, and obviously back home, Riverside. So let's go check it out. We're on the XJ. Hopefully it makes it. So let's go, guys. All right, guys, so now that we saw that the trail is open, I'm gonna air down. Again, I'm gonna air down to about 20 again. That should be enough. All right, guys, so we made it to the route that we actually were looking for, so that's a good thing. We came in this way. It was this was actually a kind of like an access road. So we came. It looks like the trail, the Indian trail we're looking for keeps going that way. 3N24. This is the route. So we're gonna go in through here, and then we're gonna explore. We'll see what we find. Look at these views from up here, man. Mountains in the background, snowy mountains in the background. We got the XJ today. All right, guys, so we made it to this little pit stop right away. It's actually a fun little trail. I'm actually surprised it's actually a fun little trail. They have a bunch of little obstacles, not too complicated. Well, so far so good. We made it to this little spot up here. I'm sure if you guys you guys have been up here. You've been in here. I'm sure you have. It's pretty windy up here today. We have this pretty steep climb. Hopefully we have no issues going up there. I'm not gonna go through the obstacle here because again I'm by myself. So let's go. All right, guys. So we made it to another little spot. Where are we at? We are. Let's go over here first. What does it say? Care for the land. Ride on the designated trails only. See? Stop, cross country, travel, and hill climbing. Respect closed areas. Working together, we can enjoy the land today and preserve it for tomorrow. There it is, guys. Let's keep our trails clean. See? All right, so it says Baldy Mess's rich history and wildfire habitat make it an important part of Cajun Pass. There it is. I don't know if you guys can capture it. I really don't want to read it for you guys. You guys can pause the video and read through it if you guys want. I mean, look at those mountains, guys. I don't know if the camera can capture it, but bro, it looks really nice. But it looks beautiful. These mountains look beautiful today. Look at this. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna be able to capture it, but there it is. Nice view. All right, guys, that's the advantage of coming in on a weekday. Today's Thursday. There's literally nobody here. I've seen one guy, dirt bike. I don't know if I probably got it on camera. That's literally the only person I've seen. I apologize, but it's actually a desert front trail, Trail 3N24, and it's actually desert front trail. For some reason, I kept saying Indian Trail. What do you guys think? Should I or should I not? Not today, guys. Not today. Look at this, another one. Should I or should I not? Not today, guys. Not today. What's up, guys? So I had to put my jacket on because it was super windy. Started getting chilly. Again, we're almost done with the trail, I think. This is something that I noticed that they have here. They have those little extra trails, I guess, that are only for quads and dirt bikes. And they have it all over the trail. The XJ is gonna be dirty, dirty, dirty. Starting to get hungry, guys. Starting to get hungry. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, little boy. Hey, good boy. He's tired. Been running around everywhere. He loves it when we bring him out here. All right, so I made it to this, I don't know what it is. I guess we're towards the end of the trail. We're already coming down. I can already tell that we're almost done with the trail. I can't see on the map. For some reason I can't zoom out. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I know we're almost done. We're still pretty high in the mountain. Let me see. And then again, you know, you can see that's, if I'm not mistaken, back there is it's Phelan, or Phelan, I think that's how you pronounce it. And Highway 138, Highway 138 runs across, and then it meets 15, which takes me home. All right, guys, I came the wrong way. Came the wrong way, gotta go back. Oh, man. All right, guys, gotta go back. Came the wrong way. So, made it now. All right, so I had gone the wrong way. I was let me show you guys. All right, so I was at that little tower, whatever it is, water tower. I'm not sure what it is. And I went that way. So I came this way, and then I parked over there, the water tower. Where is it at? Over there, the water tower. And then when I took off, I thought it was that way, but it's actually the other way. It's actually coming this way. And it makes sense because feeling is over here. Highway 138 is there. Should have thought about that. But anyways, so I guess this is the exit. It's gonna go like this, and then I'm not sure where it's gonna lead us. Obviously, I can already see the Highway 138 over there. No traffic for now. Hopefully, we don't catch any traffic on the way home. So, let's go. One thing that I noticed here, and when you're coming downhill on this, I guess this is gonna be the last part. It looks pretty dangerous here, man. I mean, because there's no, I guess there's no border. If your brakes fail, you're gonna end up on the Highway 138 pretty quick. Look at all these beautiful Joshua trees over here. All right, guys, this is the last part of the trail. There it is. This is the trailhead. All right, guys, well, there you have it. We're at the trailhead, 3N24. So my quick review, difficulty, it said 3 out of 10. It's a fun trail, actually. Bunch of obstacles. You could bring your quads, your dirt bike. They have a lot of little trails for that. I would come again. Actually, I liked it. I actually liked it more than a couple of other trails that I've gone to. All right, guys, well, there you have it. Desert Front Trail, 3N24. I came on a windy day today. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.